Namaskar, Khushro Bidya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today, our topic is Introduction to CNS. Nervous system control all the activities of body. It is quicker than other control system in body, namely endocrine system. Primarily, nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system and periphery nervous system. Central nervous system includes central CNS include brain and spinal cord. It is formed by neuron and supporting cells called neuralgia, neuroglia. Structure of brain and spinal cord are arranged in two layers, namely gray matter and white matter. Gray matter is formed by nerve cell bodies and the proximal part of nerve fiber arising from nerve cell body. White matter is formed by remaining part of nerve fibers. In brain, white matter is placed in the inner part and gray matter is placed in outer part. In spinal cord, matter is in the outer part and gray matter is in inner part. Brain is situated in the skull. It is continuous spinal cord in vertebral canal through the foramen magnum of the skull bone. Brain and spinal cord are surrounded by three layers of meninges called outer dura mater, middle arachnoid matter, and inner pia mater. The space between arachnoid matter and pia mater is known as subarachnoid space. This space is filled with a fluid called cerebrospinal fluid. Brain and spinal cord are actually suspended in cerebrospinal fluid. So in this diagram, this is brain having midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata parts, and in back side there is little brain is known as cerebellum, and this is cerebrum. In spinal cord, there is segments: cervical segment, thoracic segment, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal segment. Brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain is known as prosencephalon. It is further divided into two parts: telencephalon and diencephalon. Telencephalon includes cerebral hemisphere, basal ganglia, hippocampus, and amygdala nucleus. Diencephalon include thalamus, hypothalamus, metathalamus, and subthalamus. Rhombencephalon, hindbrain include having two parts: metencephalon and myelencephalon. Metencephalon include pons, cerebellum, and myelencephalon means medulla oblongata. Parts of brain. Brain consists of three major divisions: prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon. Prosencephalon is otherwise known as forebrain. It is further divided into two parts: telencephalon, which includes cerebral hemisphere, basal ganglia, hippocampus, and amygdala nucleus. Diencephalon, consisting of thalamus, hypothalamus, metathalamus, and subthalamus. Mesencephalon is also known as midbrain. Rhombencephalon or hindbrain is subdivided into two portions: metencephalon, formed by pons and cerebellum; myelencephalon or medulla oblongata. Midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata are together called brainstem. Nervous system. Two types of nervous system: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system include brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system include autonomic nervous system and somatic nerve system. ANS includes sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. Peripheral nervous system is formed by neuron and their processes present in all regions of body. It consists of cranial nerve arising from brain and spinal nerve arising from spinal cord. It is again divided into two subdivisions, somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is concerned with somatic functions. It includes the nerve supplying the skeletal muscle. Somatic nervous system is responsible for muscular activities and movements of body. Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is concerned with regulation of visceral or vegetative functions. So it is otherwise called vegetative or involuntary nervous system. Autonomic nervous system consists of two divisions, sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.